Hello, I'm your instructor, Linda Sessions, and welcome to Office Procedures. I have the class posted here in Blackboard, and we're going to take a look around the class and see what's going on. In the What's New area in Blackboard, you'll see a message from me regarding the textbook. This is where I will post updates to the class, information that I want you to know about. So check back here in the What's New area for information on the course and what's happening around the school. I will keep it updated and delete old postings as needed. The view you're looking at now is from the Instructor View, so it will look a little different from what you see in your class. Right here, you will have the Start Here module. The Start Here module is where you'll find your instructor information and also the syllabus. The syllabus includes information on the class, including the course schedule. So check here and read through this information to find out what's going on in the school, what is going on in the class. Scrolling on down, those instructor resources you won't see on yours, but you will see the Module 1 here. And when I click on Module 1, it's going to open up information that you need to take care of during the week 1 in class. We've got our assignment checklist, followed by learning objectives, and the PowerPoints for the chapter. Now these are the PowerPoints that are published by the textbook publisher. So they are very large, so I don't recommend printing them out, but they are there for you to view and to read through if you wish. The textbook, there's a lot of information in this textbook. I chose this textbook because it's the only one that I have found that covers what it is really like to be in the office setting. What might you be doing in the office setting? It also looks at the technology and changes that happen in the technology in the office area. So make sure you at least glance at your textbook reading. Each chapter will have a quiz that you need to take. You can use the textbook when you're taking the quiz. It's an open book test, if you will. You can take the quizzes 2 times. The highest grade is going to be what counts. But I would recommend reviewing the PowerPoint, reviewing the textbook reading before you go in to take the quiz. Following the quizzes in Blackboard, you will see the assignment information. And let me show you how that works. I'm going to click on this Chapter 1, Critical Thinking. This works a little different from some of your other classes, and because we're using the textbook interface. So you'll notice up here on your tab, it'll say Mind Tap, Cengage Learning. Here in the title section, Chapter 1, Critical Thinking, if you scroll over to the right, you'll see this chevron. You'll want to select that chevron, and it's going to bring up your assignment. We're going to start assignment now. And the assignments that I've chosen for you to complete will appear. Sometimes there is more than one assignment, more than one critical thinking activity that might be posted in the textbook. You don't have to do every single assignment in the textbook. Click on that chevron, Start Assignments, and you'll see here. So here this first one is about an elderly man, Mr. Beddinghouse, who lives right next to your business. I want you to read through the information and then write up how you would handle it. What would you do? Now it says with a partner, discuss ways you might solve this issue. This textbook was created for a face-to-face style class, which obviously we are all online. So you do not have to choose a partner. You will see this in several assignments going forward. It'll say as a group or with a partner. If you want to contact your fellow students and get together and discuss some of these, that's awesome. Let me know. I can help set those up, but you don't have to. Just answer the questions. In this particular one, if you scroll down right here, you can type in here and write your answer. You can also do a copy paste from a Word document if you wish. Once you have that done, then you're going to submit assignment for grading. It will submit it in the Cengage interface, and that's where I will go to grade it. When you're finished with that particular assignment, you're going to come up here and close that tab. Then we can click on the next one, which is the Chapter 1 activities. I recommend closing the tabs at the top and using the links in Blackboard to move around in your textbook. So we're going to click to launch on our Chapter 1 activities. Again, there are a lot of activities that they list in the textbook, and we would have a class for over a year if we were to do every single one of those assignments. To find the assignments that I've chosen for you, here in the Chapter 1 Activities title area, you're going to click on this chevron. Then we're going to select Start Assignment Now. And you can see there's only 3 of those activities that I want you to do. The first one is self-improvement. Create a table in Word. If you're not sure how to create a table in Word, don't forget you have access to Google Docs, and there's also a lot of information on YouTube, basic information on how to get around in Word. You can also reach out to me, and I can help you as well. But you're going to just create columns and talk about what you need to do to improve. Now the second one is a generations. Again, it says with a partner. As I said before, you don't have to find a partner. You can do this on your own. But I want you to research the generations. That's a huge thing in our workforce right now. We have, you can be working in an office where you have a 19-year-old, a 35-year-old, you have a 60-year-old. Those are different generations, and they really do have some defining characteristics. So what are those characteristics? What generation are you? So I want you to read through this, create your document in Word. Then when you're finished with it, you're going to come back here and you're going to upload that file for grading. Make sure you pay attention to how your files look. I want them to be professional. This is an office procedures class. Use correct spelling. Use correct punctuation. Make a title for your page. Use paragraphs. Don't have run-on sentences. The next particular question here is introducing yourself. Now, instead of sending an email or writing a discussion board post, I just want you to write up 2 or 3 paragraphs about yourself. What do you want to accomplish in this course? What's something that you would like your fellow students to know about? And then I want you to submit that here for grading. In Module 2, I will have a folder and I will have all of these posted there so you can go in and you can read about your fellow students. So make sure that you do, again, follow proper business English as you work on these assignments. I'm going to close this tab up here now. I will be available on Monday evenings from 6 to 8 p.m. throughout the semester if you want to meet with me. I will also be on campus at WSU South during the day, on several days during the week. If you want to meet with me, just let me know. Send me a text through Navigate or here in Blackboard. Send me a message and we can set up a time to meet and get to know each other and answer any questions you might have. I am here to help you be successful and to learn more about office procedures. Have a great first week, and I look forward to getting to know you over the course of the semester.